Welcome to the best picks. The best Epson Printhead Cleaning Kit is probably one of the most important tools for anyone who relies on their inkjet printer. Clogged printheads can lead to frustrating print quality issues, from faded colors to complete printing failures. This kit offers a convenient and effective solution to restore your printer's performance, ensuring sharp and vibrant prints every time. Let's dive in and see how this kit can keep your printer running smoothly. Number 5. Printer Cleaning Kit for HP Brother Epson Canon. Is your printer printing poorly? This cleaning kit is designed to dissolve clogs and restore the print quality. It's compatible with a wide range of inkjet printers, ensuring you can get back to printing smoothly. This kit works with OEM ink, dye, and sublimation inks. It effectively tackles issues like incomplete patterns and streaks. It is designed to work with many different printer models. Unlike some cleaners, this solution won't harm your printer. It uses enzymes to dissolve dried ink and other impurities. This helps to protect the printhead and ensure optimal performance. The kit includes everything you need, with clear instructions. The included tools make the cleaning process simple and convenient. It is suitable for various printer brands. Remember to unplug your printer before cleaning. Avoid adding water to the cleaning solution. For best results, watch our operation video on YouTube for your printer model. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of printers, making it a versatile choice. It's also designed to avoid damaging your printer. If you have multiple printers at home or in the office, or if you are looking for a safe and easy-to-use solution, you should consider this one. What people say. The cleaning solution worked perfectly. The kit includes everything needed to clean the print heads. It was easy to use and the instructions were clear. Number 4. Fosgoit Inkjet Printer Cleaning Kit. Is your printer printing poorly? This kit is designed to clean and restore your inkjet printer's printhead. It's a simple solution to bring your printer back to life. This cleaning kit is compatible with a wide range of inkjet printers. It works with Epson EcoTank, HP Osinkjet, Brother MFC, and Canon printers. This ensures that it can meet your needs. The kit includes a specially formulated cleaning solution. It dissolves hardened ink and impurities, ensuring smooth ink flow. This helps prevent clogs and extends the life of your printer. The kit comes with color-coded nozzles for different printer brands. The nozzles are designed to fit perfectly, preventing leaks. Using this kit can save you money by avoiding printer replacement. The kit includes everything you need, including a syringe, hose, and gloves. It also comes with clear instructions. Before cleaning, remember to unplug the power supply. This cleaning solution works with various ink types. It is suitable for OEM, dye, pigment, sublimation, and heat transfer inks. It ensures that it can meet your needs. What we like. This kit is compatible with a wide range of printers and can be used with various ink types. The kit is easy to use and comes with complete instructions. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution that works with multiple printer brands and ink types, you should choose this one. What people say. You have to remove 2 little screws right above where the printed page comes out. Then the top part goes up and you have full access to the printer heads. The syringe can eject 5 mm at a time. This is good so that you don't flood the bottom of the printer. We did 4 flows, as the syringe has 5 mm, for each troubled color. We had yellow and cyan with a complete clog. I had to be careful when I replaced the plunger after I filled the syringe with the clear fluid that came with the product. Number 3. Absonic Inkjet Printer Head Cleaner Kit. Is your printer head clogged? This kit is designed to clean and restore the print quality of your inkjet printer. It works with various brands, ensuring your prints are clear and vibrant. This solution is compatible with Epson, HP, Canon, Brother, Samsung, and Lexmark printers. No matter the brand, this kit can help. If you don't see your model listed, contact us for assistance. It works with Epson EcoTank, Workforce, Expression, and Stylus series. It also works with Canon Megatank, Maxify, and Office series. This kit is designed to work with many different models. The kit is also suitable for HP Osinkjet, DeskJet, Envy, and Smart Tank printers. It can also be used on Brother MFC series printers. This kit is a versatile solution for many printer issues. The kit includes a 100 ml cleaning fluid, syringe, nozzles, tubes, gloves, and instructions. It is easy to operate and comes with different nozzle sizes to fit various ink ports. This makes the cleaning process simple and effective. This printhead cleaner solution can be used for factory ink, dye sublimation ink, and heat transfer inks. This helps to restore the print quality. This kit can help you get the best results. What we like. This kit is suitable for all inkjet printers, ensuring broad compatibility. The cleaning solution provides excellent cleaning performance. If you like a kit that is easy to operate and can handle various printer models, you should consider this one. What people say. Simplified directions for an effective cleaning. 1. Go into your printer menu and have it start a print nozzle cleaning. Be ready to disconnect the power immediately after it starts. 2. Unplug the power once the nozzle cleaning begins. This is important, it stops the printer head from moving and keeps it in an unlocked position. 3. While the printer head is unlocked and the power is turned off, remove your secondary printer cartridges, if equipped, from the movable printhead. Mark each one to help remember the order they go in. 4. With the secondary cartridges removed, you should see 4 little nipples ports corresponding to each color cartridge. 5. Grab a few paper towels and fold each one 3 times, lengthwise. Place one folded paper towel into the tray beneath the printhead assembly to help absorb the mess that is about to come out from it. 5. Use the cleaning kit with the hose tube firmly attached to the syringe and fill the syringe with the cleaning solution. 6. Firmly attach the other end of the hose tube from the syringe to the nipple port on your printer and begin applying pressure to the syringe plunger to eject the cleaning solution into the port. Once the syringe is empty, carefully disconnect the hose tube from the print nipple port and dab it clean on a paper towel. Now you can refill the syringe and repeat the procedure on the same port to ensure it is cleaned. 7. After the second flushing, slide the printhead over to remove the paper towel beneath it. It is going to be a soggy mess. Take your second paper towel to replace the one you just extracted. 8. Repeat steps 5 and 6, and 7 if necessary. 9. Once you have cleaned all of the ports, dab up any spillage from the bottom of the printhead before you reinstall the secondary cartridges and remove the paper towel from beneath the printhead. 10. Reinstall the secondary printheads, making sure they go back in the correct order or your prints will come out discolored and odd looking. 11. Run 2 or 3 printhead tests on fresh paper to verify the printer is working correctly. It may take 2, in my case 3, times for this test to complete properly with freshly cleaned ports because it needs to flush out the residual cleaning solution from the ports. 12. Enjoy your like new printer. It took a bit of fidgeting to figure it out and use it correctly, but the directions were accurate and, in the end, my printer is back to good working order. Worked as described. Cleared 3 of 4 colors very well. The 4th color still pixelated some after 3 rounds of cleaning. Number 2. Universal Printhead Cleaning Kit, 100 ml. Is your printer experiencing issues? This cleaning kit is designed for all inkjet printers. It helps restore your printer's performance. The kit's powerful formula dissolves hardened ink and impurities. This ensures smoother ink flow, resolving printing problems. This kit contains enzymes that dissolve both dry and wet ink, protecting the printhead. Using it can extend the life of your printer. It effectively resolves issues like blurred marks and incomplete printing. The kit ensures your prints are clear and of high quality. This cleaning kit is compatible with a wide range of Epson, HP, and Canon printers. It's a versatile solution for many printer models. What we like. This kit has strong solubility to dissolve impurities and extend your printer's life. It is compatible with many Epson, HP, and Canon printers. If you are looking for a kit that can solve printing problems and extend the life of your printer, you should consider this one. What people say. Once I got the mechanical part situated, I needed to address the clogged printer head. This solution did the trick, and the printer works like new. Whatever the solution is, it worked like a charm. It was nice that included was a pair of gloves that came in super handy and all the necessary adapters and tubing. It's a complete kit. Watched a video on how to do the process and it worked great. Easy to do. Clog gone and pretty prints. You do have to do it a few times probably, so the first time I was a little disappointed thinking is not going to work, but doing it a second time really cleared things out and now my printer works just like new and I don't have to throw it away and create more e-waste. Number 1. Osinkjet Printhead Cleaning Kit for major printers. Is your printer printing blurry images? This kit contains high-efficiency active factors. It breaks down clogs and restores your printer's performance. This advanced kit tackles common printhead issues. Whether it's stubborn clogs or routine maintenance, it ensures effective cleaning, keeping your printer running smoothly. Say goodbye to persistent clogs with this powerful solution. It targets and eliminates blockages, restoring optimal ink flow and ensuring clear prints. This cleaning kit works with Epson, HP, Canon, Brother, and more. It's engineered to work flawlessly with a wide range of printers, meeting the unique needs of different printer technologies. This kit encourages environmentally friendly printing practices. It minimizes ink wastage, fostering a greener printing experience. It's a responsible choice for your printer and the planet. The kit includes a 250 ml cleaning solution, a syringe, swabs, connectors, and gloves. This kit does not damage the printer. If you have any questions, we offer 24/7 online support. What we like. This kit contains high-efficiency active factors to break down blockages. It is designed to effectively unblock printer nozzles. If you are looking for an eco-friendly solution that ensures thorough cleaning and minimizes ink wastage, you should consider this one. What people say. After cleaning my print heads, my printer now works as good as new. The kit came with all of the things necessary to cover a multitude of different printers. Once the blocked heads were fully flushed with cleaning solution, I had to run a number of black-only print jobs to get the print head to fill back up with ink. After that, my prints on both printers are coming out beautiful so that my art can be fully expressed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.